Welcome to the SON Science Experience. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right, this is the brief on reversing age-dependent DNA damage in egg cells. So, you know how we've always thought that the DNA damage in older egg cells, what scientists call oocytes, is basically permanent? Well, a really fascinating new study is flipping that idea on its head, opening up some incredible new possibilities for fertility treatments. Okay, first up, let's talk about the actual problem. As women get older, their egg cells can build up a lot of DNA damage. We're talking almost 70% of eggs from older mothers showing these big red flags for damage, which is way more than the 16% you see in younger eggs. And that damage is what can lead to chromosomal issues. So how did they fix it? Well, second, the researchers did something that sounds like science fiction. They basically did a nucleus swap. They took the nucleus from an older egg and put it into the main body of a young, healthy egg cell. And this young cell's body, it's like a super efficient DNA repair shop. The results were immediate. The damage in that older nucleus just plummeted right back down to the levels of a healthy young cell. And finally, it turns out the secret sauce was all these little repair factors floating around inside the young egg. They basically just hit a reset button on that old nucleus. And the outcome was just wow. The original older eggs, they produced 0 pups. 0. But these reconstructed eggs, they had a birth rate pretty much identical to healthy young eggs. It's incredible. So what this shows is that it's the environment around the nucleus, not the old nucleus itself, that really controls whether an egg can develop successfully.